Have you ever got a tooth extracted or do you have a missing tooth? Hello everyone, I'm Dr.Akriti Joshi. Why is it important to get the missing tooth replaced? Whenever there is a missing tooth, the other teeth tend to move and shift. This leads to disturbance in the bite alignment. This also leads to TMJ problem. The remaining teeth become more susceptible to gum disease and dental cavity. Once the tooth is extracted, your body tends to reabsorb the jawbone that once surrounded the root. As the jawbone deteriorates, you may feel changes in the facial structure and appearance. You might also feel it very difficult to chew or speak clearly. So I hope now you have understood why is it so important to get the missing tooth replaced. There are various options by which you can replace the missing tooth, like dental implants, bridges or dentures. So if you're planning to get a tooth extracted, you must plan how will you replace it. Thank you for watching.